What's the meaning of anger? Anger. 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 Anger.
Anger is an emotion characterized by feelings of intense displeasure, hostility, and a strong urge to retaliate. It is a natural response to being threatened or wronged, and can manifest in both physical and verbal forms. Anger can lead to negative outcomes such as conflicts, aggression, and destructive behavior. It can also have physiological effects, including increased heart rate and blood pressure. Managing anger in a healthy way involves acknowledging and expressing it appropriately, identifying triggers, and practicing relaxation techniques to reduce its intensity.